So it rained for probably a good half an hour, and our balcony flooded, and we spent the next at least half an hour mopping things up. Luckily we shimmed up some of the doors and there's cardboard blocking, otherwise the whole house. So now you can notice people are riding by on their motos, and monks are waiting down street number 19. That's our street. You can pause it now. There's not much more to say. I think the video speaks for itself. It's a good opportunity for swimming. Not so good for fishing. And so this is our Southeast Asian monsoon season.
And Chan signing off on Weather News 4.